Mga kawok, imagine this, isang beauty queen, influencer extraordinaire na si Alexa Miro, biglang umamin sa social media, it's over now. Sino ang ex? Walang iba kundi si Sandro Marcos. Na, the golden boy ng Marcos Dynasty, Ilocos Norte representative at presidential son. 5 years ng lihim na love story, tapos biglang kaput. At may alleged third party pa ha, si Frankie Russell daw ang dahilan. Pero bakit? Simpleng kwentuhan lang tayo today. Hindi yan basta chismis, it's a gateway drug to the real scandal. Paano ba itong personal heartbreak na ito nagiging political earthquake sa Pilipinas? Welcome to #WalkWithLan, where we politics. Okay talagang where we dissect homeland politics with wit, facts, at walang sugar coating. Ako si Lan, at for the next couple of minutes, tayo'y magiging detectives sa love at power. Hit that like button na, subscribe, at let's dive in. Okay, first off, fact check tayo para hindi tayo magiging part ng fake news epidemic. Base sa latest reports from Inquirer hanggang PEP.ph. Confirmed na ni Alex last September 24, 2025 sa isang vlog at IG post niya. We were together for 5 years, sabi niya, at it's over because of infidelity. Pinangalanan pa niya si Frankie Russell as the third party. Sino yon? Sandro tahimik pa rin, classic politician move, deny or deflect. Pero bakit ngayon? Timing is everything, mga kawok. We are on the middle of trillion peso march protest against government corruption at biglang personal bomb explodes sa Marcos camp. Coincidence or calculated? Okay mga kaibigan engage with me, engage with our channel. Comment down below, sinong mas guilty, the cheater or the enabler? At para sa mga kabataan na nanonood ngayon, paano ba ito magiging wake-up call sa atin na politics starts at home? Literally. Okay simpleng kwentuhan muna. Let's rewind to how this love story started. Grab your snacks. It's a story time mga kaibigan. Tuloy tayo sa origin ng story. Simpleng kwentuhan lang Imagine 2020, pandemic, lockdown, Alexa Miro, then 24 fresh from Miss Earth campaigns. Beauty queen with a brain, advocate for environmental causes, influencer with 1 million followers. Sana all. Sandro, 25, fresh congressman ng Ilocos Norte. The cool Marcos bro, tattoos, guitars, at that signature smirk na parang I'm the anti-bongbong. They met allegedly sa isang low-key event at Manila, through mutual friends sa artsy circle, instant spark, pero secret agad. Why? Because Sandro's Marcos dynasty's rule, image is everything. Public girlfriend, that could mean scrutiny, trolls, at wag kalimutan, the ghost of martial law haunting every move. Okay, 5 years of hidden dates, private jets to Boracay, encrypted DMs, at those cryptic IG stories ni Alexa na grateful for the quiet moments. Parang K-drama ito mga kaibigan pero with real politics. Remember, 2022 elections, Sandro campaigning hard for his tito BBM, Hindi, papa niya yan. Alexa posting subtle support like proud of the fighters. Pero walang official label, Until now, boom, breakup bombshell. At ang alleged third party si Frankie Russell. Okay, model / socialite is spotted, with Sandro sa events. Alexa called it out. Respect my truth. Heroic ba or just messy? Pero here's the intellectual twist. Sa psychology ng power couples, secrecy breeds toxicity. Studies show, fact-based tayo na sa political families, personal lives are weaponized tulad ng old Marcos era. Imelda's true collection as distraction from human rights abuses. Today, Sandro's heartbreak as a smoke screen from bigger fires. Speaking of which, transition tayo sa segment 2 para mga pero before that, shout out sa mga new subs, ha? Salamat, ha? Sa 10,000 views na. Keep sharing mga kaibigan. Okay ha, 2 million views na po tayo. Okay mga kawok, now the meaty part. Paano ba itong Alexa na to, Alexa Sandro saga, nagiging mirror ng national nightmare? Simpleng kwentuhan. Isipin nyo ha, habang naghihiwalay ang lovebirds, libo-libong Pinoy na sa kalsada, marching against the trillion pesong march. No? Wait, that's the name, no? September 21, 2025. Exact anniversary ng martial law declaration at biglang explode ang anti-corruption protest sa Manila. Why? Alleged embezzlement ng flood relief funds, billions gun proof, no? Sa pork barrel scams under this admin, mga kaibigan. Okay, ayon sa Human Rights Watch at Guardian reports, tens of thousands rallied, clashing with cops, demanding accountability. Marcos Jr., he said, I support the outrage, but keep it peaceful. Okay, classic na classic, no? Acknowledge pero deflect. At eto na, Sandro's scandal hits right when the family's image rehab is at stake. Remember post-2022 win, heavy PR push. Sandro as the millennial savior. Cool, vlogs, anti-dynasty jokes. Ironic, di ba? Pero deep dive, political dynasties control 80% of Congress per Ateneo studies. Marcoses from Ilocos to Malacanang, it's a monopoly game. Okay, parang breakup playlist to, no? All Too Well by Taylor Swift for Alexa, no? Pero for us, Duyan by Eraserheads, swinging back to old scenes, linked to recent controversies. Same week, Duterte supporters sa Davao rallying against ICC arrest, threats, pray for the Philippines. Daw, no? Unity or division tactic. Okay, sa mga kabataan, mga Gen Z, this is our cue. Personal betrayals like Sandro's reflect systemic ones. Infidelity sa boto. Third parties na contractors stealing relief. No? Flood victims in Bicol waiting for aid while politicians play house. Is the Marcos charm offensive falling or failing? Data says, yes, inflation at 6%, poverty up 2% of this quarter. Okay, kung si Sandro magsusorry, baka mag-post ng guitar cover ng Sorry by Justin Bieber. Pero seriously, this breakup, it's a crack in the facade. On to the youth angle next. Okay, shift to us. The youth, kababayan ko na 18 to 25, scrolling TikTok habang nag-aaral ng Polsai. Simpleng kwentuhan. Kayo ba, naniniwala pa ba na politics is boring? This Alexa Sandro T proves otherwise. It's messy, human at relatable. Okay. Ay, nako, sa sociology, scandal fatigue hits when personal stories humanize the elite. Pero warning don't let it distract. Like, yes, third-party drama is juicy, pero the real plot twist, how it ties to our future. Okay, picture this, Sandro in Congress debating bills, pero flashback sa Alexa text, Ay, babe, vote for what? Okay, back. For us youth, this is the masterclass in power dynamics. Women like Alexa, often the collateral in men's ambition. 70% of political spouses sa Pilipinas are silent partners, no? Per UP studies. As sa protest, youth-led, bagong alyansa mga kabayan organizing, demanding #Young Dynasties. Okay, mga kawok, share nyo naman itong stories na ito. Paano ba itong scandals nagpapagising sa inyo? Breakup teach resilience. Politics too. Sandro's loss, maybe his gain sa polls. Sympathy votes. Pero for us, time to vote with eyes open. 2028, no? Election is coming na. Be the third party that matters. Activism. Okay, quick intellectual tayo mga kaibigan. Hits before wrap up, no? Ay, nako. Talagang Marcos PR machine will spin this as a private matter. Pero social media democratizes truth, gender lens. Alexa owning her story. Feminist win sa toxic masculinity ng politika. Broader arc from EDSA to now, scandal cycle, pero youth breaks it. humor kung may Marcos family feud, no? Name a way to lose girlfriend in public trust, answer Sandro, no? Okay. Mm. Mga kawok, sa huli, simpleng kwentuhan man. Ito, it's a reminder. Love ends, pero the fight for justice, eternal. Alexa at Sandro's story, just one thread. Excuse me. Okay, mga kawok, sa uli, simpleng kwentuhan man, it's a reminder. Love ends, pero the fight for justice, eternal. Alexa at Sandro's story, just one thread sa tapes 3 ng Pinoy Resilience. Stay woke, stay fighting. No, salamat, no? Sa ilang mga minuto, hope it spark something like if your Team Truth, subscribe for more deep dives on homeland politics. At now, mga kababayan, sa panahon ng kasinungalingan, ang katotohanan ang unang sinisikil. Pero kasama kayo ha, kaya nating ipaglaban ang tama. Sumali na sa aking YouTube membership. Tulungan ninyo akong manatiling malaya, walang takot at laging handang lumaban para sa bayan. Salamat sa suporta mga kawok. Sumali na sa #WalkWithLan YouTube channel membership at maging bahagi ng laman. Okay, see you next time around. Mabuhay! Peace out! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!